We got snow on the homestead. We got big flakes though. I don't know how well you're seeing some of that. Look at that. Those are big flakes. Concho's looking for rabbits in the snow. Look at that. Alright, so I think this is going to be one of many videos that I'm going to put together. But during this storm for the next like 3 days, I'm supposed to get like 6+ inches of snow. So let's see how much snow I get. So it didn't drop much snow, maybe what, 2 inches or so. I got about the same amount of snow as Sholo, and I'm in Sholo now. And tonight we're supposed to get, they say, twice as much snow than yesterday or last night. So we'll see what happens. It's gonna be cloudy all day, time to time some snow flurries, and that's about it. So this is actually the real snowfall of the year, believe it or not. Last year we got quite a bit of snow compared to this year. A lot more last year. So, but anyhow, when I'm done working, I'll show you some other snow shots. Hey, look at that. One of the local trucks cleaning around. Alright, so the snow continues to fall, except now I got clear skies. I just love how the snow kicks up on the trees and stuff. Now, how much snow did I get? Well, it's really hard to tell because the wind was crazy. I look at some things and there's a lot of snow, and some things there's not. So the wind has really moved the snow around. Because it's really thick right there. But like over there, it's not thick at all. In fact, even right there, the deck is exposed. So but as I walk through here, the dog's been running through here chasing rabbits. See, look, he's enjoying himself. Oh, don't see that. How come every time I got the camera on the dog, he's got to do that? Have you guys noticed that? I haven't done very many shots of Concho. But when I do, he always wants to stop and like do that. So you can see I didn't get a lot right there. It's pretty windy, as you can tell. But you know, I just love how it looks. The only problem is now, when it all melts, then I got mud everywhere, and the dog's going to track the mud into everything. So, I don't know how much snow you guys would call this, because like I said, some of it's pretty thick and some of it's not. So, I'm going to call it 4 inches. Why? Because I can. Because everywhere that I'm walking so far, it's pretty thick. But isn't this pretty? Just absolutely beautiful. And Concho the dog, the Homestead mutt, likes to play in it. There he goes. He's such a goof. Concho, come here. Oh. Hey, Concho, will you sit in the snow? Dude, come here. Sit. Was that cold on your tush? Now go run. Go get a rabbit. Get a rabbit. Give me a rabbit. It was right for where they're at. Alright. Let's go look at the road real quick. I want to see how that looks. Dog's gonna come with us. He's having too much fun.